Good morning, you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13.
I'm dreaming.
Crazy. I can't believe it's day 13. Right now I'm sitting at my kitchen table and I'm going to edit yesterday's vlog, but today's video, I think I'm going for the vlog, I guess. I'm going to show you guys what I'm eating in a day. So throughout the vlog, I will show you guys what I'm eating for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. I'm trying to eat healthier, but it's not going to be completely healthy. I'm not going to be like super strict, but I am going to make healthier choices. So don't come for me with some of the choices I make. So for breakfast, I have just a green protein shake that I made. Same one I made last night with the spinach and the almond butter and the alright, sorry, my camera died, but basically I have this smoothie from yesterday, which is again the spinach, the almond butter, the dates, I put a little bit of honey, protein powder, chocolate protein powder, and then I have 2 eggs. So basically what this is are deviled eggs, and I basically took out the yolk and I mixed it with avocado and put like some seasonings in it, and then I got my avocado deviled eggs. So a lot of protein, love that. And yeah, I'm gonna sit here and try and get through editing of yesterday's video. So also I'm gonna be drinking 2 of these 32 gallons Hydro Flask waters. So I'm gonna drink 2 of these because I have a really hard time drinking water. So drinking more than 2, honestly, right now is impossible. So we'll see if I can get through 2 throughout this vlog. So hopefully. So anyways, I'm gonna start editing, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Guys, I totally forgot to add a banana to my protein shake. I was like, something is missing when I was making it, and it was banana, which I always thought I needed a banana. Even when I'm like out of banana, I'm like, okay, make my smoothie, don't have banana, it's not gonna taste good, but it tasted really good without the banana. So now I know, but I definitely like the banana in there. But I just finished my breakfast. I'm gonna continue editing. I feel really full, so I'm just gonna sip on my water until maybe a snack of some sort later on. But like I said, I'm full. So I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna watch the new episode of High School Musical, the musical series. You know what time it is. It's Friday. So I'm gonna watch that. And yeah, edit. I just finished watching episode 6 of High School Musical, the series. And it was by far the cheesiest episode yet. So be warned if you watch it. I was cringing the entire time. It was very cheesy, but it was cute. And now I think I might watch some Vlogmas videos. It was so cheesy. I was like, oh my god, that's so cheesy. So you're warned if you ever watch Ask Me School Musical the series and you're like, oh, Jade recommended that to me, just know it's a little cheesy, especially episode 6. Alright guys, so it's about almost an hour and a half since I ate breakfast. So I'm going to have a little snack. So for my snack of choice, I'm having some watermelon. I picked this up from the store yesterday, and I put a little bit of tahini on some of it because I like tahini on my watermelon. And I also I'm going to snack on my whole grain goldfish pretzels and some my water. Little snack before I make lunch. I'm not super hungry, but like I want to eat something because I am a little bit hungry, and then I want to make lunch in maybe like an hour or so. So I'm having a little snack in between now and then. So I'm getting up the vlog. It's almost done uploading and then watching Vlogmas videos. What else would I be doing? You guys know the deal. So I'm gonna go and eat. I'm so excited. talk to you later. All right, so it is lunchtime. I think I'll do a time check. It is 12:48, so it's been maybe like, I don't know, 45 minutes since I last talked to you guys. Yesterday at Stater Brothers, I picked up these stuffed bell peppers that I can just put into the oven. So I think that's what I'm going to have for lunch. And then I'm also still working on my water. My goal is to be done with the first one by lunch, so I might be chugging this. But yeah, I'm going to put this in the oven and have this for lunch. I was gonna say dinner, but a lunch. So just to keep you guys updated on what I eat in a day. So, all right, so while I'm waiting for my lunch to cook, I mentioned yesterday that one of my good friends is getting married tomorrow, Saturday, and she messaged like a lot of us and was like, we want you guys to learn this dance so we can do like a flash mob at the wedding. So it's actually the get up challenge or the get up dance. So I'm learning it on YouTube, and I thought I would show you guys just because it's a good way for me to be active and keep my body moving. I'm like literally breaking a sweat. So yeah, the lighting might not be really good, but I'm gonna show you guys, or show you guys me trying to learn this dance. Alrighty, so finally done. This took forever to cook, but I cooked it for about 35 minutes. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna see if I'm hungry for the second one. I might just eat one depending on how I'm feeling. I'm also almost done, so I'm going to refill her up in a little bit. I have like a few more sips left, so I'm gonna eat, watch some YouTube videos, and just wanted to show you the end result. All right, I'm still hungry, so I am going to eat the second one. Refilled my Hydro Flask, and I'm watching Remy. Love it. All right, guys, so I want something sweet, and of course my mom bought these yesterday. These are the powder donuts that have raspberry filling. These are the best donuts. And I was like, okay, I'll eat one if it's less than 120 calories, because I don't really want to, you know, ruin all my good eating on a donut. I am going to be working out later today, so I was like, I can eat like just one if it's reasonable. Why is one donut 240 calories? I know. So I'm going to eat half of one, which is 120 calories. So I'm going to cut it in half. But I'm just showing you guys that, I mean, my diet's not perfect. And it's okay to splurge a little bit. Of course, I picked the bigger half. Okay, goodbye. Gonna eat half. And I'm gonna go take a nap, I think, because I'm already tired. Alright guys, it's about midnight. It's actually 12:05, and I was gonna end the vlog, but then I almost thought I'd lost my camera, so I was like looking for it, so I was just like, let me just end the vlog. So I, I ended up eating an acai bowl. My mom and I got acai bowls from this place, and it had granola and mango and banana in it. It was very good. So that's what I had for dinner. I also cheated and had a bowl of Fruity Pebbles because I just needed it, wanted it so bad. So that's the last things that I ate for the day that I didn't show. I want to end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. I've been watching TikTok videos. I'm obsessed. I can literally stay on the For You page and just watch all of the TikToks. So that's what I'll probably do for the next 30 minutes, to be honest. So see you guys tomorrow. Love you.
It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from. Feeling like it's mid-July.